Hey guys, once again it's nearly lunchtime, so it's not quite morning. I have been busy. I've got my coffee in my coffee cup this morning. Anyway, I've come on to share with you a purchase that I made from Bonny and Clive's Etsy store. If nobody's checked out Bonny yet, please pop over and have a look. I love her shop. She shouldn't post so much stuff because I spend too much money. But anyway, that's another story. Anyway, so I will open this up. I've covered up this is my home address. I don't want the world to see that one. All the other ones that I show my address is my post box. I mean, it's on the internet, it's out there, so it doesn't really bother me. But I just don't want all you awesome stalkers to camp on my footpath and, just to catch a glimpse of this awesomeness. Joking. Anyway, guys, let's open this up. See, lockdown. I see, normally it doesn't affect me because I'm home anyway, but I think it is affecting me in some way. Okay, so I'll just snip this. I should have banged it first, shouldn't I? Just to make sure. So I purchased some paper, book pages. Thanks to the lovely Krista from Secondhand Creations and Crafty Bee Treasures. And now Bonny, I have enough book pages to keep me going for a little while. So let's open this up. I hope there's nothing naughty in here, Bonny, so it's going to be on camera. I'm not going to edit this one. Oh, a little love heart. Oh, anyway. Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise. All right. Yeah, I'm not going to fight with this. I'm just going to cut. Snip. There we go. I've got my zombie scissors. See? Wow. Yeah, this lockdown's definitely doing something. Okay, let me... see, I wouldn't be any good in a zombie situation. It'd take me forever. Okay. Now... I'd be too busy down here crafting to even care if there were zombies running around outside. As long as they don't come in the dungeon. Alright, Bonny, this is great. Maybe I should just open your mail before I get on camera. Yeah, I'm not going to fight with this either this morning. Gee whiz. Okay. There we go. And I shall put this aside for a later date. Haha, some of my favourite lace. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I was going to buy a pack, but look, she sent me some of this. I love this stuff. I just love it. So now that I have a little bit of it, I can start using it, because I didn't want to use the bit I had, because once it was all gone, that was it. So now I've got ones to fall back on. I love that. Thank you. And look at, I've got to check out this heart. Is it a button? Yes, it is. A little button. Okay. This is beautiful. Look at the natural staining on this. Look. Gorgeous. I love that a lot. It's like a flannel net, like a flannel net fabric with some, I don't know whether you can see, embroidery. Oh, thank you. So this is what I ordered, and she always gives me little extras, so she'll probably do the same for everyone. So check her out and see what she's got available. Oh, it's upside down. Okay. Oh, look at the old machinery. Isn't it just beautiful? It's a lathe. These will make nice steampunk pictures for journals. More tables that I love. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. I'd be too scared to use anything like that. 18th century Chinese export porcelains. Painted terracotta dancing girls, Greek art. Sicily, 300 BC. Dang. Wow, a blue atlas-ish. Must be like a place to visit. Let's visit France. Okay, shorthand. Love shorthand books. Look at this. Shorthand. I'm not sure what these can... So it's a bit dark down here again today. We've got rain lurking about. So awesome. Anyway, sorry to bore... Oh, look at this. How lovely. Sorry to bore you with these book page videos. I am working on other things though. Look at the old cameras. So anyway, I'll be quick. So we've got dictionary pages. Don't know what I don't know, might be Dutch. Is it Dutch? Swedish? I don't know. Don't know whether anyone from those countries can tell me what it is. But look at this handwritten stuff down the side. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look. That's a little treasure, isn't it? Hey? And book pages. I will be quick. More dictionary pages. Oh, the mulberry bush. I'm not going to sing, guys. I'm not going to sing. But, look at that. Men who made Australian known. Eh? Ludwig Leichhardt, John McDougall Stewart, and Edward John Eyre. There you go. Anyway, I'll be quick-ish. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this. Look at the artwork. I just love it. Oh, these are beautiful old book pages, Bonny. I know it's a vintage book page pack, but these are lovely. Beautiful. The Boy Who Walked to China. Huh? I like these too. These are nice in collages, guys. Even though it's slightly glossy, they're still nice. The writing bits are nice in collages. Alrighty. Okay. Oh, look at this. German to English. I love the tabs. Love that. Oh, what have we done here? I've done... No. A little bit tacky on the glue still where she's pulled it out of the book, but that's okay. It's all good. That's... Old dictionary. Look how they were bound. Look how they were bound. Look. I wonder if anyone can see. It's lovely. music papers. Okay. Dear Ellie, thanks again for your order, a little Miss Speedy Fingers. I was actually on my Etsy at the time making a listing and a notification popped down. So I clicked on it and it was Bonny and I thought, oh, paper pack. So I clicked on it and I thought, I'm getting in there. So I hadn't even realised she'd put a video up because, like I said, I was on Etsy at the time and it was just, I was at the right place at the right time. I've included a few extra bits and bobs that I thought you could use in your journals, etc. Hugs, Bonny. And speaking of which, the Bonny's just texting me, guys. She's she must have known I was opening this. I won't read that out. It's just a little, I made a purchase. Yes, I did make another purchase to help Emma, starving Emma out, who lives in Slovenia. I made a purchase on her Etsy store and I was her first customer to help her out. And I beat Bonny for a change because normally Bonny's the first customer. She, you know, buys a lot from people. She helps everyone out. So, yeah, so now she's Emma's second. So she just said sloppy seconds. She's got sloppy seconds. Anyway, so thanks for that, Bonny. So, yeah. Anyway, so map pages. Here we go. Oh, I love this old ledger paper. Look at this. They are long pages, aren't they? Longer than a, because I've got a ledger book here, an old one that I found when I was hunting through all my bits and pieces down here in the dungeon. And this is the size of these ones. Look. So there are lots. Let me have a look, see if I can get it in frame. If I do it this way, there we go. You can see how much bigger they are. So they're a good, I don't know, what would that be? Inch, half inch? Longer. I don't want to spill my water. I want paint water there. 1.5 inches. So yeah, longer than the average ledger paper that you buy now. That's gorgeous. Okay, I'll put that back in a second. We've got red and blue. Tea dyed coming up. I've got to tea dye some pages actually, so I will use those. I'll print a paper. Love this stuff. I actually bought a ream of it on special on eBay. Somebody come across it in their pile, so I purchased it. It wasn't that expensive, but it's not like this. I think it's just plain white, and I use it for my jelly printing and things like that. So yeah, I don't think it's got the lines on it. So anyway, guys, this is my purchase from Bonny. Anyone I've mentioned in this video, as per usual, if they have a YouTube or an Etsy store, I will leave their links below. Once again, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Like I said, I am working on some projects, which I will bring to you soon. I just want to try and get, I don't know, things in a perspective so I can, so it makes it look like I know what I'm doing. Basically. So what I'm going to do is turn, let me just move papers off the top. So turn one of my stylish decor boxes, you know, these ones here. This one has my napkins. This is my little box that I take with me. Like if I go upstairs, I'll just think, all right, I'll take that up and use what's in here. So these are my little handy boxes that, you know, travel around with me. All the rest of the stuff's in big boxes. So anyway, I'm transforming my stylish decor boxes into something more stylish. So I will work through that with you guys. I'm in the process of finishing this one. So this is not the end product, but this once was one of these. I know, right? So as you can see, there's the bottom. I've still got to finish it. I left this overnight to dry because it was kind of all sticky everywhere. So now I've just got to finish, because I couldn't lay it down to finish in there because silly me did this part first. So anyway, once I figure out what I'm doing so I can relay it to you guys so that you know that I may think what I'm doing, I'll share things with you. So I'll finish working on this, then I'll come back and I'll show you what I've done and how I did it. And then one of my other ones, I will make one of these with you guys. I use this for my glue when I've only got like a little bit of glue left in the bottom. I just stick that in there, and this holds my blending tools. I really need to put a new sponge on my brown, don't I? And that's my green one. So yeah, so it's just a handy little thing that's made out of recycled tubes and paper bags. Like this is a Hungry Jack's bag. So anyway, guys, that will be coming up, so keep an eye out for those. But like I said, I just want to complete a few first before I show you the process. But anyway, guys, until the next video, give your loved ones a hug. They're precious, and I shall chat to you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.